Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money without spending money using cashback sites. And no, you don't have to buy anything. How? By promoting cashback sites and getting a finder's fee using affiliate marketing. But first, if you are new to my channel, my goal is to teach beginners how to do online marketing and make money through affiliate marketing by promoting other people's products. You don't have to have your own products, which is a huge bonus because products are expensive to create, and the advantages of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to have your own products, you don't have to deliver products, you don't have to warranty products, you don't have any inventory, and you can start for free with my easy strategies. So, step one, buying stuff and getting cash back requires money, so we don't want to go that route. Instead, we can promote the sites themselves and get paid. An example is Rakutan pays $25 for everyone who refers a person to them. Ibotta pays $10, TopCashBack pays $25, and so on. All you have to do is just Google cashback referral programs and you'll find plenty of them. Now, in this section, your job is to promote these websites, and when people sign up, you get paid. Simple, but how do we do that? Step two is where I'm going to show you that you build a tiny website called a funnel. It works like this. You build an opt-in page where you collect a person's email address, and then you offer them a free gift. Now, the free gift could be something as simple as a list of all the best cashback sites. So that would be a gift. They are looking for cashback sites. That's why they're on your page. And now you have helped them by giving them a free gift of the list of the best cashback sites. So that's you put on your thank you page. So now you've had them opt into your promotion and you've given them a free gift. Now you have started to build a digital asset called an email marketing list. On that email digital asset, you can now promote things that are a little bit higher volume as far as money goes. You can promote other money-making products, one that pay more. Now that can change your life. If you aren't sure what to promote, stick around because I have some ideas for you. Step number three is now that you have an email list, you have a digital asset and you can continue to offer other products to your list, which is a repetition of what I just said. So that was already step three. People buy from people that they know, like, and trust. So you need to keep in touch with people on your email list at least probably 3 times a week. You can offer them free training, or you can share my training and share other interesting articles that you have found, either in magazines or in, who knows, you can make up your own training as well. But this way you get to keep in touch with them, and they know they know that you are actually offering them some value. You're probably wondering at this point, how do I build a funnel? What additional products can I promote? How do I actually build an email list? What do I need to do that? I get it, because that was my confusion. But what I did was I found a partner. His name is Anthony, and he's an 8-figure entrepreneur, and he's looking for other partners. So he showed me how to build a funnel. He showed me how to build an email list, and he showed me how to get traffic to my offers. He also gave me dozens of high-quality products that I can sell and I can promote, and he even built the funnels for me. So anyway, that is, I've left a link to you can meet him on his link. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and like this video, and be sure to check out the link below to meet Anthony, my partner in affiliate marketing. And he is looking for other partners. So be sure to subscribe, comment, and like this video, and click on the link and meet Anthony. Thanks very much, and I'm happy that you're here, and I'll have something new next week to share with you. Talk to you later.